It's time for a review. Now, as we get our face and our hair game going on, we got to think about accessories as we're going out into the world. And I've come across one of the best accessories that I love to wear, and that's my watch. Now it's 3, but of course it's 5 o'clock somewhere. This is a really fun watch that I purchased off Amazon, and this is a CKE digital watch. You'd be surprised by the response and attention this thing gets. And the best part about it, I believe it's like 15 bucks. I'll go ahead and put the link down into the description. Now myself, I've done the Apple Watch, I've done all the smart watches, I've done them all, and I keep going back to a digital watch. A couple reasons why. One, I've got my phone already. I don't need to see a text message, I don't need to see an alert, I don't need to see anything on my watch what my phone already does. I feel like it takes the attention off off what I'm doing, and it's just another thing pulling me away from reality. Second, it's cheap. I have broken so many. I've had the iWatch, the large, I've had the small, I've had them all, and I keep, breaking them, and it's because of my own, it's what I do. I'm a klutz. Let's just be real. But what I really enjoy about this one is not only is it ergonomical, it's economical, but it actually really drives and gets attention. Another cool thing is the amount of adjustable notches it has. You really don't have to worry about too much of a gap in between your wrist, because our weight does fluctuate depending on how much water you're drinking throughout the day. You'd be surprised how much gap you can get between the day. And what I like about too is it's rubberized, it'll stick to the skin, and it really gives you some breathing room. But once again, it creates a lot of attention, and it's, like I said, it's got some really cool bevels and screws in it, gives it a nice cool look. And it's your typical digital watch. It's got some fun features in it. You got some dual time, you got an alarm, you've got your timer set. And then if you want, depending on if you're a different time zone, you can go and set, different times. So it's just a fun, short, sweet review. I want you guys to go check them out. And what I do like about Amazon is they have this new thing where you can try it before you buy it. So for instance, I got some shoes coming in. I believe there's one at the door, and I'm gonna go ahead and try some shoes on. You can give it a whirl and then send it back. If you don't like it, if you do, just go ahead. They'll find out, after 7 days, they'll go ahead and charge your account. So let me know what you guys think. If watches are your thing, if you guys like the Link, if you guys like rubber, if you guys like digital watches, or if you like smart watches, I wanna know. So that being said, you guys, I will see you on the flip side. See ya.